with an aim to ensure that people from Meghalaya have access to the best doctors and medical facilities. The state government has roped in Apollo hospitals under the ambit of the Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme, thus paving way for specialists to fly down to Shillong and other district headquarters on a regular basis for the benefit of lakhs in Meghalaya.
Pediatric urology deals with problems related to the kidneys, the ureters, the bladder, and the genital organs of both male and female children. More than 40% of the problems that children are born with for surgical corrections are related to urology. And we deal with patients right from the time they are in the womb. So we provide counseling for mothers when they have a baby who is found to have a congenital condition of the kidneys and tell them what the prognosis will be. The main problems in urology are related to blocks at the level of the kidneys, which is called PUJ obstruction, blocks at the level of the ureter relating to the bladder, which is VUJ obstruction. We deal with urine going back into the kidneys, which is vesicoureteric reflux. We deal with all types of urinary tract infections. We deal with complex problems of the urinary tract in children who have spinal anomalies called neurogenic bladder. We deal with children who have ambiguous genitalia where their sex is doubtful. We deal with tumors. We deal with stones. We have a whole lot of things to do. So pediatric urology is a specialty that is growing by the day. At Apollo Children's Hospital, we have a state-of-the-art facility where we can provide surgical care for all these children.
As part of the program, 3 renowned doctors from Apollo Hospital, Dr. Surovi Shripati, Senior Consultant Pediatric Urologist and Robotic Surgeon, Consultant Pediatric and Adult Congenital Cardiologist, Dr. Anuradha Srita, Roop Jyoti Bara, DY General Manager, Apollo Hospital.
The idea behind having these camps is that the local people, the local population should have the benefit of super specialty. So all the doctors who come here, they are all super specialists. So it's very difficult for patients from here to travel all the way to Chennai. And so the idea what we thought is, why not our doctors come here, screen the patients, and whichever patients require some super specialty treatment, they may be advised to go to Chennai for further treatment. So that is basically the whole idea.
Chennai were in the city to offer their expert services to patients of Ganesh Das Hospital, Shillong. Hundreds of patients benefited from the presence of these doctors at Ganesh Das Hospital, Shillong.
We treat complex congenital heart problems even in newborn babies. So even the complex neonatal surgeries are done in Apollo Children's Hospital with a very good result. High success rate. So because there is a big team in Apollo Children's Hospital, we are a group of 3 cardiologists, pediatric cardiologists, 2 cardiothoracic surgeons, pediatric cardiothoracic surgeons who are exclusively doing pediatric cardiac surgeries. And we have an intensive care team where there are 4 intensive care consultants. Now the intensive care team takes care of the post-operative patients. So because of a big team taking care of the patients before and during and after surgery and even interventions, our results are very good, and we've treated many heart problems in children.